You want to open your present?
Come here, Coco's.
Oh boy.
Coco.
His head's in the loop. Rascal, pull the paper out.
There's this one too.
Coco, go get your present.
What's in there?
Oh, he found the poppers.
Coco. No, this
Rascal.
one's yours. Pull it out.
Here, Coco.
What else is in there? Oh,
Oh
bag.
boy.
No, you already had poppers. Look, there's treats in the bottom. Look, dude. You're missing the treats. Look.
He
There's
wants
treats.
the poppers. He knows there's a poppers in the other one.
No. Coco, look. There's a poppers in there. Did you get it?
Yay!
It's treats. Like, I don't like those treats. They're healthy.
Yeah. Those are made of oatmeal, not meat. Coco already got his poppers, Ras. He's like, well, no more meat. Guess I'll settle for the oatmeal. Oh boy, he's got a whole new bag.
Got a whole bag.
He said, yeah, open them, Dad. Is that exciting? Rascal, did you get poppers? You got poppers, baby? That was a weird noise. Is that Coco or Rascal?
Yeah, it's Coco. I think you burped.
They want more poppers.
Yeah. Merry Christmas!